you feel a huge sneeze coming, but you're in a crowd, so you hold it in. Big mistake. A sneeze blasts out at 100 miles per hour. If you stop it, the pressure has nowhere to go, so it shoots back into your head like a bomb. It can tear your throat, break your eardrum, or even push air into your spine and skull. Yes, people have broken neck bones just by holding in a sneeze. Doctors have seen brain bleeding, collapsed lungs, and crazy internal damage, all because someone wanted to be polite. So next time you feel a sneeze, don't stop it. Let it out. Save your spine, because manners shouldn't kill you.